Hello, my project is about the Hello Kitty shop. In here, I have at the top the welcome to my Hello Kitty shop. And in the middle, in between the middle here, I have the tabs that can get you into the website. The first one is to sign in. The second one is to sign out from the website. And then I have the home page. And then I have the inventory page. And then I have a collection page. And then I have the checkout page and the create account. And in order to access the website, you have to create an account. So let's create an account. You click the create account, and for username, let's just put admin, password 12345, and then you're going to insert. Once you're done, it takes you to the login, which you're gonna sign in. You're gonna put the username. The password is 12345, and then login. And here I have the Hello Kitty shop, and I'm welcoming them to my shop. And if you have any kids and want them to have a nice gift for any holiday, then this is the shop for you. Here I have the pictures, the Hello Kitty doll. I also have phone cases for the Hello Kitty, and some Hello Kitty clothing, including hats. And I have the Hello Kitty supplies, school supplies. In the inventory, I have the dolls, phone cases, the clothing, and the school supplies. And in the collection, I have a collection items of Hello Kitties. For example, the first one, it shows the collection ID, and then the color ID, and the collection name of the item. For example, you can go into the view, and you can look into the collection ID, which is 400, and the collection type is a doll of the Hello Kitty. Then you can go back. Next, you can select the next item, which is the Hello Kitty phone case. So you click the view, and it will show you another image of the collection ID for phone cases, which is one of the collection types. Then you just go back, and if you want to continue, you can go into the next one, which has a description as well. You click view, and it will show you another collection of my Hello Kitty items. This is for the clothing, and the collection type is the clothing. And then you can go back, and if you want, you can select the last one, which is Hello Kitty school. You click view, and I have a collection ID number 403, the lunch bag of a Hello Kitty, and the collection type is a school supply. Then when you're done, you can go back to it. You can also have the option to edit and change from dolls, from school supplies, and then you just update it, and it will show you here the item. Then we can change this one. You can go back. We can change this one into editing, and we can put the dolls and update it, and it will show here at the bottom. Next, we can go into the checkout tab. It will take you to the website where it has the checkout options. You can select as many items as you want. Let's just put 2 items, and then we can select the Hello Kitty doll, which is $5, and let's just click a cotton doll and maybe a custom phone case. Next, when you're done, you go at the bottom and click the calculate total. Here it will make the calculations, and it will add up $46, and then it will show you the tax amount, and the grand total of the items equals to $49.80. Then once you're done, you can just simply sign out, and it will take you out of the account. Now I'm going to show you Visual Studio. We're going to stop the website. Okay, here we can go into the collection here. Now we're going to split to see the source. And the master page at the same time. Actually, this is a collection. And here I have the database of more than 2 images and tables. This right here. And it has my query strings as well. Next, we can go into the collection. Here, ASPX. Into the master page. Right here. This is where I have the navigation, all the sites navigations. Here, this is where it links each one of them, which is the sign in, the sign out, the home page. You have the inventory, the collection, the checkout, and the create account. There are my hyperlinks. Okay, now I'm going to show you my sessions variables. I have this in the login ASPX. That's it, which is right here. My sessions. Okay, now I'm going to show my text boxes, which I have them in the checkout. So check out here ASPX and store split, so I can show my check boxes, which is pointing right here for the quantity, for the tax rate, and I have a few more. My subtotal, my tax amount, my grand total. Okay, now in my checkout, the ASPX.cs, I have my C programming with the variables. Here's the button to calculate using doubles. These are my variables. Here I'm using the if statement. And usually, this is only one can be true in the calculations. This will calculate the total. So total times equals convert that to integers, 32. And then here at the bottom is the output, which will display the total of the calculations from any purchase at my website. In my default, which is right here, default, I have more images, which I wanted to show. This is how I have the image URL. It's a GIF. Then in my master page, this is my master page. And in the checkout, in the checkout, this is where most of the code is coming. Okay, having the inventory. Here's my inventory, source, and the inventory code. In my login, I have my validation controls. Just gonna go and do the split. Right here, this is where I have my validation control. And I have my style sheet, CSS. It's right here. And this is my conclusion for my website for Hello Kitty shop. Thank you.